Multi-lane pedestrian crossings have always been problematic, and this is due to the dynamic visual obstruction issue that sometimes occurs. So this is when one vehicle approaching masks the view another vehicle has of a pedestrian approaching the crossing point. So ideally this setup doesn't occur and we only have pedestrian crossings on one lane. However, there are many situations where there's two lanes, but it is an activity area, so there are pedestrians with crossing desire lines and we need to provide something. So what do we do in those situations? Well, either you can go to a signalised crossing point. In some situations, a raised crossing will provide a big safety benefit. There are other alternatives, providing some separation, opening up sight lines between the two lanes going the same direction. However, this is fairly rare. If you do have these, some really important things to check are that there are good sight lines as pedestrians approach the crossing, that we've slowed vehicles down as much as possible, that the lighting is good, we've got clear signage to warn drivers of the pedestrian priority. So that'll give us the lowest likelihood of crash in the existing scenarios. But what we really want to do is raise these crossings to slow vehicles down, to give pedestrians more time to see the vehicles and the vehicles more time to see the pedestrians and yield to the pedestrian crossing. This is a really interesting point of industry contention at the moment as to whether it is safer to have the crossing point on the two lanes or to not have it at all. We really need to provide more facilities for pedestrians to safely cross roads like this. So we do need the pedestrian priority, but we need to ensure that we do that safely. So raising these crossings or putting speed calming features on the approach can really ensure that there's good pedestrian crossing facilities and they provide a safe outcome for all road users.